In this video, we will solve the issue of the two blinking lights on the Epson L8050. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support. First, when we turn on the printer, after a while, two lights start blinking and turn red, and the printer stops working. Now, remove the maintenance box from the printer and reset its memory using a chip resetter. Press the resetter's pins against the chip of the maintenance box for a few moments until the resetter's light changes from red to green. You can easily purchase these chip resetters from online sites like Amazon or Alibaba, and they are also available in local stores that sell printers. After resetting the memory of the maintenance box, place it back in its slot, reconnect the printer to the power, and wait for the printer to get ready. Alright, after preparing the printer, we'll print once to ensure the printer is working correctly and to confirm everything is set up properly. Alright, as you saw, the printer issue was due to its memory being full, and now that we've cleared it, the printer is working properly. Sure, please make sure to subscribe to the Device Doctor channel to support.